Okay, so general equation of line, okay, reducible to various forms. I mean various standard forms. Various standard forms. Okay. So number one, reducing to y is equals to mx plus c. So what is the general equation of line? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. How do I convert ax plus by plus cy into y equals to mx plus c? Just make y as a subject. Okay. Y equals to mx plus c. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0, or by is equals to minus x minus c. Okay. So y is equals to minus a by b, x minus c by b. So this is the y equals to mx form. Okay. Now intercept form. Intercept form. So what is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equals to 1, right? Now if we have the general equation as ax plus by, x plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. How do I reduce it to this form? Ax plus by equals to minus c, and when minus c comes down, we have x divided by minus c by a, we have y divided by minus c by b, that is equals to 1, right? X divided by minus c by a plus y divided by minus c by b, okay, is equals to 1. বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, sir.
Now normal form. So we have three forms, and these three forms should be known very nicely. ओ प्रिया ने भेजा, अच्छा अच्छा टेस्ट। Okay, now normal form. Normal form. So what is normal form? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p, right? Where p is always positive. Where p is always positive. Why p needs to be positive? Because p is the distance from the origin on the line. Normal distance from the origin on the line. So how to do that? Also we have ax plus by plus c equals to 0, right? Or ax plus by is equals to minus c. This is what we have. Now let us multiply a constant k on both the sides. let us multiply a constant k on both the sides. Now see, now this one matches the intercept from where kx equals to cos alpha, ky equals to sin alpha, and minus kc is equals to p. If I square and add both of them, what I'm going to get, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equals to k square. Okay. Sorry, এটা a হবে, not x number. Ka is equals to cos alpha and kb is equals to sin alpha and minus kc is p. So if I square and add both of them, I'm going to get k square, a square plus b square. So k square is equals to what, 1 divided by a square plus b square, or k is equals to plus minus 1 divided by root over a square plus b square. Okay. So now putting them back to the equation, what we get? We get plus minus ax divided by root over a square plus b square plus minus what is the value of k? Yeah, same thing, b divided by root over a square plus b square, and what is this, minus c divided by root over plus minus a square plus b square. Okay. K is equals to plus minus, বুঝতে পেরেছো? So this is the reduced normal form. Okay, so this is the reduced normal form. Now remember that this portion, this RHS portion should always be positive. Why? Because this is the distance, right? This is the distance. So when we have a line like this, and then this is my normal, right? Normal form p is the distance, so p is always positive. So that is why this RHS should always be positive. বুঝতে পেরেছো নমনি কাকা?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
So whenever any equation will be given to reduce into normal form, what you will do? You will pick up the coefficient of x. First of all, you need to write them in this way. Then put the constant on the other side. Okay. Then pick up the coefficient of x, pick up the coefficient of y. Okay, and obtain this thing, right? Root over a square plus b square. Then put down the equation in this form, but make sure that the right hand side is positive, and accordingly we'll have to take the sign, right? So say for example, if c is a negative value, okay, if this whole c is a negative value, then of course the square root portion you have to take negative, then only negative negative will become positive, right? And if the c is positive value, okay, then you have to take root over a square plus b square is positive, and what value you take of this root over a square plus b square, accordingly you have to take these values, these signs as well. Okay, বুঝতে পেরেছো কাকা?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, so let us do a sum. 11.7. 11.7. Question number 5 part 1. Try out this sum. If the image of the point this in the line this is the point 3 comma 5, then find the value of p.
স্যার আরেকবার কোয়েশ্চেনটা বলবেন?
You can achieve the
হ্যাঁ স্যার পেয়ে গেছি।
if the image of the point minus 1 comma 2 in the line is the point 1 comma 5, এই ধারাতে ভুল করছি 3 comma 5. Yeah. Try out this sum. This sum is not related to reducible any form, okay, but it is actually related to reflection chapter which we did in class 10. Try it out. Pushing हो रहा है क्या? अब इस टाइम में मैं दो टॉपर्स को पढ़ा रहा हूँ, तुम ऑपरेशन के टॉपर, उन्हें लेकर इसका टॉपर। If the image of the point minus 1 comma 2, if the image of the point minus 1 comma 2 in the line this is the point this, then find the value of p. देखो ए बी को यूज करके मिड पॉइंट निकालो, ए बी को यूज 30 ना, और कर ये ओके, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k for which f x is ठीक है, find out anything like you can find out left hand limit or right hand limit, ठीक है, yes, तो देखो तुमको दोनों ही निकालना पड़ेगा, you need to find out the left hand limit of x. Left hand limit means what? Your x is approaching 0 with values less than 0, right? Left hand limit x tends to 0 minus, where you will take x tends to 0 minus, that means x is holding values with less than 0, so that means you should take the first function root over 1 plus kx minus root over 1 minus k square, ठीक है, देखना कि ये 0 by 0 फॉर्म नहीं आ रहा है, अगर x पुट कर रहे हो 0 तो उस हिसाब से तुमको बैलेंस करना पड़ेगा, एक वैल्यू आएगा, ठीक है. Now this it is given that this function is continuous at x equals to 0, that means what, both the limits are equal and both of them are equal to f of x, f of 0, दोनों लिमिट निकालने का जरूरत नहीं है, कंटिन्यूअस जब बोल दिया तो दोनों लिमिट इक्वल होगा, मेरे को f of 0 निकालना है, f of 0 जब लेंगे तो कौन सा फंक्शन लेंगे, सेकंड वाला डेफिनेशन लेंगे, ओके, 2x plus 1, क्योंकि देखो पहला वाला है x लेस देन 0, x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू नेक्स्ट वाला है, देखो इसमें x 0 लोगे तो क्या आएगा 1 डिवाइडेड बाय -1 व्हिच इज 5 -1, बस दोनों को इक्वेट कर दो, जब लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट निकालोगे you will get a value in terms of k, okay, and for x equals to 0 you will get a solid value, equal both of them you will get k, हो गया, इसमें भी नहीं होता और मैं दे दिया तुमको, if the image of the point -1, 2 in the line this is the point this, then find the value of p. হয়েছে নবনীল কাকা, হয়েছে সামটা, হয়েছে সামটা, হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ স্যার হয়ে গেছে।
आंसर আসছে,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওকে গুড, আচ্ছা তাহলে একবার বলে দিই এটা, if the point, if the image of the point this in the line this is the point this, then find the value of p, so that means this is the point and this is the image, Okay, so that means the mid, the image of the point. So that means this mirror, this is the mirror. Okay, so I need to find out the midpoint. The midpoint is going to be x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay, and y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the midpoint. Okay, this is the midpoint of the object coordinate and the image coordinate. So that is 1 by 2, 7 by 2. Okay, now putting 12.5 is the answer. Normally,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
so তুমি এভাবে করেছো তো?
হ্যাঁ
So first of all, we found out the midpoint, then the midpoint will be a point on this mirror. Just put the value, get the value. Okay, do this sum. Write the coordinates write the coordinates of the orthocenter of the triangle
হ্যাঁ স্যার পেয়ে গেছি।
which lie along করো দেখি Done.
না স্যার করছি।
Write the coordinates of the orthocenter of a triangle whose sides lie along the lines this. Okay. Orthocenter. What is orthocenter? Tell me. What is orthocenter, Navanil Kaka?
স্যার অর্থ সেন্টার হচ্ছে পয়েন্ট অফ ইন্টারসেকশন অফ অল্টিটিউড।
Of key?
অল্টিটিউড সব।
Right. Orthocenter क्या है जानते हैं? क्या? ट्रायंगल का ऑर्डिनेट, हाँ राइट। नहीं तो तुम कभी ऑर्थोपेडिक नहीं बन पाते, ऑर्थोपेडिक स्ट्रीम में कभी नहीं जा पाता अगर ऑर्थोसेंटर नहीं बनता। दोनों का नाम से मिले कहानी टोटली अलग है। Write down the coordinates of the orthocenter of the triangle whose sides lie along the lines x equals to 0. Okay, so what is x equals to 0? That is the x axis, sorry, y axis. So this is y equals to 0, this is x equals to 0, right? And another side is 3x minus 5y plus 7 equals to 0. So what is this 3x minus 5y? Let me see. Let me reduce it to your intercept form. I mean normal y equals to mx plus c form. Right. So this is simple y equals to mx plus c form where slope is positive. So that means the line is going to be like this. And uh, if I can, so at x equals to 0, y is 7, and at y is equals to 0, x is going to be right. So what are the 2 points? One is x comma 0, and the other one is minus 35 by 3 comma uh, 0 comma 7, and the other is minus 35 by 3 0. Okay, so this particular point 0 comma 7 minus 35 by 3, 35 by 3 is 11 point something, Okay, so 0 comma 7 minus 35 by 3. So this is my line. So that means write down the coordinates of the orthocenter of a triangle whose sides lie along the lines x equals to 0, y equals to 0, right? You see, this is a right angle triangle, yes or no? Navaril Kaka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now for a right angle triangle, this is an altitude and this is an altitude, yes or no? Right? If I draw a right
Huh.
angle triangle, this can be considered as an altitude on this side and this can be considered as an altitude on this side, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, when two altitudes intersect, at that time only I can get orthocenter, yes or no? When two altitudes
Huh.
intersect, that time only I can get an
Huh.
orthocenter. So you can see that this and this intersect at 0 comma 0, right? So therefore orthocenter is 0 comma 0. You don't need to calculate anything. 0 comma 0. বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, so remember this thing, that whenever you have a triangle like this, okay, whose one side lies along x equals to 0, another side lies along y equals to 0, then the orthocenter will always be 0 comma 0. Okay, the orthocenter will always be 0 comma
Okay, sir.
0. Nothing to calculate. Now this one very important. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle. এটা হয়েছে, কপি করো এটা। কপি করা হয়ে গেলে বলো।
স্যার হয়ে গেছে কপি করে।
Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of the triangle. Whose sides okay, করো দেখো। Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle. What is circumcenter?
Circumcenter is a point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors.
Perpendicular bisectors, right?
Outside.
Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of the triangle whose sides. Now, so again we have another advantage over here. X equals to 0, y equals to 0. Okay. So of course the perpendicular and base is along x-axis or y-axis like this. Either the line is like this or either the line is like this. I mean, either the triangle is like this or like this, right? Right? All you need to do
Yes, sir.
is to find out the midpoint of its hypotenuse. So of course this is the hypotenuse. These are the perpendicular and base. 3x plus 2y equals to 12 is equal to hypotenuse. Okay. So x equals to 0, y equals to 0. And say this line is 3x plus 2y equals to 12. Okay. All you need to do is to find out the center of this line. That is called circumcenter. Okay. So find out this coordinate and find out this coordinate. পারবে তুমি করতে এই লাইনটার মধ্যে put x equals to 0, get the value of y, very simple, and then put y equals to 0, get the value of x. So you will get something over here, something over here, find out the midpoint, that is the circumcenter. বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, sir.
করো ঝাড়ে করো ঝাড়ে ইকুয়েশন অফ স্ট্রেট লাইন শুরু হলো না শেষ হতে চায় না এমন বড় ইমেল আকার আমি সব তোর কে দিয়ে ছোট ছোট বাবা রে বাবা still we have 3 exercise 3 এটা করো তাড়াতাড়ি করো
Sir, হয়ে গেছে।
আচ্ছা নর্মালি রিমেনিং সামস গুলো কিন্তু করতে থাকো ঠিক আছে আমি বলতে ভুলে যাচ্ছি কিন্তু রিমেনিং সামস গুলো কিন্তু তুমি
ওকে
করতে
স্যার।
থাকো ঠিক আছে এটা কিন্তু বাই ডিফল্ট মানে একটা এক্সারসাইজ শেষ হলে রিমেনিং সামস গুলো কিন্তু করতে হবে আমি না বললেও কিন্তু করতে হবে তোমার তোমার নিজের ডিউটি okay now we'll come to this reducible to standard forms reduce the following system following equations into normal forms okay normal forms find their perpendicular distance from the origin and angle between perpendicular and the positive direction of x-axis so root over 3x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0 root over 3x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0 this is what we have okay root over 3x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0 I have to reduce it to normal form. The first thing that I need to do is to put the constant on the other side, right? This is the first thing. Now, what do you have to do? I need to find out the value of k. What is k plus minus? root over a square plus b square, that is plus minus 1 by 2, right? So plus minus, right? This is what we have. Plus minus 4. Now which sign should we take, right? We know that this has to be always positive. Taking positive, wait, taking k is equals to half positive. Why? Because I need to make this one positive, right? Right. Now root 3 by 2. Oh. So perpendicular distance p is equals to 4. Angle between, so angle is 30 degree. Okay, বুঝতে পেরেছেন আমাদের?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
21 part 1, হ্যাঁ এটা কপি করে নাও। ওকে, এটা কপি করে আজকে এটা লাস্ট রাখছি, কারণ তুমি তো স্কুল বেরোবে, রাইট?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওকে, এটা কপি করে নাও। কখন বেরোবে স্কুলে?
স্যার এই 10টা 15-20 নম্বর।
ওকে ওকে, ঠিক আছে। তোমার তো রেডি হতে হবে, তো চান করে খেয়ে রেডি হতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ
এটা করে
হ্যাঁ
নাও, কপি করে নাও, এটা করে আজকে এখানে রাখছি। আমরা কালকে তো তুমি করবে না, রাইট? কালকে আমার 9:30 থেকে ক্লাস থাকে, কালকে তো স্কুলে যেতে হবে, তাই না?
হ্যাঁ স্যার হ্যাঁ।
ওকে ওকে, ঠিক আছে। আমরা তো এবি কে তাহলে আমরা কবে যেন টিউসডে ক্লাস করলাম, রাইট? টিউসডে করলাম, টিউসডে করেছিলাম
হ্যাঁ
না? টিউসডে করিনি তো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
তো টিউসডে
হ্যাঁ স্যার
করলাম না?
টিউসডে হলো।
টিউসডে করলাম, কালকে করেছি, তাই তো?
না
কালকে করিনি, ও না কালকে করিনি, কালকে আজকে করলাম, ঠিক আছে। আমাদের হ্যাঁ দুটো ক্লাস হয়েছে, নেক্সট উইক আমরা আবার 3টে করবো, ঠিক আছে? নেক্সট উইকে তোমাকে যেতে হবে না।